Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to create local user without Microsoft account in Windows 11 and Windows 10. To create local user account in Windows 11, you can do the following. Pressing the Windows key and the R key opens the run command. Type NETPLWIZ in the dialog box and click OK. Then click on Add button. Then click Sign in without Microsoft account. Then click on Local account. Now enter your username, enter password, and confirm your password. Then click on Next, click on Finish. To give administrator access to user, select the user, then click on Properties. Select on Group Membership, then select the administrator, then click OK and press OK. The same steps you can try for Windows 10 also. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.